Look here, all of you, Nana. Coherent waves. Coherent waves means these two waves. These two waves, same frequency, same wavelength, constant phase difference. These two waves are called as coherent waves. In the coherent waves, the formula for resultant intensity is I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. These two waves have constant phase difference. Simply, initially the angle between two waves is 0. After some time also 0. Here non-coherent waves. In the non-coherent waves means these waves, different frequencies, different wavelengths, and phi, that means angle between two waves is not a constant. Simply, in the situation, phase difference vary irregularly. What is the formula for IR? I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Here, phase is not a constant. For example, cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0, cos 180, minus 1. Here, phase changes irregularly. In that situation, total cos phi value taken as 0. These waves are called non-coherent waves. In the situation 0 into anything 0. In the situation, resultant intensity formula is automatically I1 plus I2. Here these are non-coherent waves. IR equal to I1 plus I2. Coherent waves means IR equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Question number 24. Look here, all of you. 1 to 4 Doppler effect in light. Tomorrow I discuss that topic. First, concentration on the interference. In the interference, the question number 5, first to read. Here, two waves is given. Y1 equal to 4 sin omega t. Y2 equal to 3 sin omega t plus 90. Sin of 90 plus theta cos theta. This is a comparison of basic equation. Y equal to A sin omega t. What is the amplitude of the first wave? 4. Amplitude of the second wave 3. Sine. Excess angle is nothing but the phase difference pi by 2. A1 is given, A2 is given, angle between A1 and A2 is given. Resultant amplitude formula from parallelogram law. A1 square, A2 square, 2A1 5. Please solve the problem. Okay. Next one. Sixth question. This is the conceptual question. The question is belongs to wavefront. For example, this is the point source nana. Here after t seconds, light coming here, light coming here, light coming here. Point source emit the light in all directions. Same distance, same phase. Same phase ఉన్న particles అన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే this locus of all points which are in the same phase, this locus is called wavefront. Wavefront. The question is on the wavefront the point is M, another point is N. Nana దీని ఫేజు సేమ్. ఎమకి ఎనకి మధ్య ఫేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 0. బికాస్ M and N are on the wavefront, so that's why phase difference between M and N is 0. On the wavefront, all particles in the same phase. M and N are on the same wavefront. That's why the phase difference between M and N are 0. Look here, all of you nana. Next nana, the question number 7, 8 same model. Please look at. Here two waves. First wave intensity is given I. Second wave intensity is given 4I. Both the waves are superimposed. Find the ratio between maximum intensity to minimum intensity. Find the ratio of maximum intensity to minimum intensity. Maximum intensity formula is root of I1 plus root I2. Minimum intensity formula is root of I1 minus root of I2 whole square. Please substitute I1 value, please substitute I2 value to determine the maximum intensity by minimum intensity. Same formula in terms of amplitude. A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2 whole square. Keep in mind. 8th మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. 9th one చూడండి నాన్న. 9th one. Look here all of you. Problem number 9. A screen is a distance 2 meter from the narrow slits. First to draw the diagram. This is the slits nana. This is the screen nana. Slit ki screen ki distance capital D. Capital D value is given 2 meters nana. Look here. In the situation here wavelength of the light also given 5, 8, 9. Nano means 10 power minus 9 meters. Again this is the central band. In this point both the waves are superimposed. Here distance between two slits can be determined. In the situation O2P generally I take the distance is y. Y value is given 5 into 10 power minus 3. In the situation find small d. We know that path difference formula. We know that path difference formula. Path difference is d sin theta. గుర్తుందా మీకు YDSCలో యాంగిల్ స్మాల్ sin right as tan. Tan means y by capital D. Okay na? Look here. In the situation, path difference at point P, minimum is form. Point P minimum means dark band form. Dark band condition 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. This is the formula for the problem. Once again I repeat, in the YDSC, path difference formula d sin theta. Sin theta right as tan theta, y by d, y by d. Okay? Here at point P, minimum form, that means dark band form. Dark band condition 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Here n value. This is the dark band Bangal Kondalu. This is the 10th dark band. N value is 10. All the values are given. Putting all the values to determine small d. Next question number 10th question. Look here. Keyword in the problem, fringe width. Fringe width denoted by beta. Beta formula lambda into capital D by small d. Please solve the problem. Okay na? Next question nana. Next question. Question number 11 nana. Question number 11. In the question number 11 also, keyword in the problem, fringe width. Fringe width formula is, look here, lambda d by small d. Here in the question number 1, lambda 1 is given 4000 angstrom. Corresponding beta 1 is, fringe width is 0.4 mm. Next, wavelength of the another light is 5000 angstrom. In this situation, find fringe width. According to this concept, beta directly proportional to lambda. Look here, all of you. In the situation, look here, all of you. Beta 2 by beta 1, right side. Beta 2 by beta 1 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Please putting all the values and get the answer. In the question number 15, very important, these waves are non-coherent waves. Today class I discuss non-coherent waves can seen. In that situation, IR formula is I1 plus I2. IR equal to I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. This is the formula for non-coherent sources. అదే గనక కోహెరెంట్ సోర్సెస్ ఉండి బ్రైట్ ఫ్రింజ్ వస్తే రిజల్టెంట్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఫార్ములా తొందరగా చెప్పాలి 4I0. ఈడ కోహరెంట్ ఇట్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ I అన్నాడు. I ఈక్వల్ టు 4I0 ఇయర్ అన్న ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. కోహరెంట్ సోర్సెస్, నాన్ కోహరెంట్ సోర్సెస్ I డాష్ అనుకోండి. I1 I0, I2 I0, ఇదెంత నాన్న 2I0 ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2. Here write equation 2/1. In the situation I dash by I, right side 2I0/4I0, 1/2. Simply I dash equal to I/2. ఇదంతా నాకు వద్దునన్న. Resultant intensity for non-coherent sources I1 plus I2. Resultant intensity at bright band 4I0. రిలేషన్ అడిగాడు, చెక్ చేసుకో. I1 అంటే ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ వేవ్, I2 అంటే ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ వేవ్. ఓకే, I0 plus I0 2I0. ప్లీజ్ సాల్వ్ 5 to 24 టుడే వర్క్ నానా. ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్ సాల్వ్ నానా, ప్లీజ్ సాల్వ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ 20, 21. బాయ్ నానా.